Hey guys, I hope you're well. Yes, so I'm back again into the studio, and we're gonna be looking at special graphs using NetworkX, which is a Python library that deals with all the networking stuff. I mean, you can also use commercial things like Mathematica and Maple and stuff, but this is free, so why not? Yeah. So yeah, on a side note, guys, I'll really appreciate it if you do subscribe to the channel. So if you love what you see, please do subscribe, and I would really, really appreciate that. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm going to have to start with importing the libraries that I need. So import, right, network X, there we are, as nx, then import matplotlib.pyplot as p, and then import the numpy as np. Yeah, right. So with the numpy part, I mean, I don't actually need it for this particular session, but it's just a habit because I mean, you never know. I might just think, oh yeah, you know what, just some random thing. Let me just get the adjacency matrix of a graph, then boom, it's there. Right? So yeah, you can also import it at a later point in time in the video or in the session, right? But yeah, yeah. But anyway, long story short, let's get started. Right. So I've got my graph. So BT, I'll call it BT, and then this NX dot this is going to be a balanced tree graph, right, with 3 and 1, right, and then the 3 and 1 part is forget that the three and 1 part, right. So the 3 part is that's the branching factor, and 1 is the height. Okay, sorry, I just pressed the cd thing by mistake. Right. Okay, cool. And then so I need to show that. So nx.draw bt, and then p.show. Let's show the graph. Right, let's get started. Let's crack on. Right, so your height of 1 and your 3 branches, right? Your branching factor, right? Cool. Right, so crack on to the next one. So there's going to be the barbell. So nx, that's the barbell graph. Right, and I'm going to use integers 4 and 3. Right, so the first integer, right, the first entry is going to be greater than 2, right, and that's the size of the barbells on the left and right side of the graph. And then the last one, the last integer, is the length of the length connecting the barbells together, right? So I'll show you in a minute. So PB, there we go. Let's plot that. Right, nice, tidy. Right, so you got your double kite there, right? So yeah, so these are the barbells, that and that. So you got 4 of them, so four nodes on each barbell, and then that's the 3 I'm referring to. That's the length connecting the barbells together. Okay, cool. It's a nice graph, right? I crack it on. So on x1, I'll just call it b, right? And then nx dot so that's the binomial. I'm gonna go for the binomial tree, right? And I'm gonna have 3, right? So on my n values, you go to 3 in this instance, right? So my nodes, so you go 2 to the power n, and my edges, so there's 2 to the power n minus 1, right? So then I need to plot that. Here we are. So that's our binomial tree, right? So 2 to the power n nodes. So you got 2 to the power n, which is 8. So you got 8 nodes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2 to the power n minus 1, this is 7 edges, right? So 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Brother. Coolio. Right, so yeah, let's crack on, mate. Let's crack on. Right, so that's a binomial tree, right? I'm gonna have a C, it's a complete graph, so complete Actually, hold on, I forgot the nx part. So complete. Yeah, standard. Right. Let's make it a little bit interesting, right? So I'm gonna have 20 nodes, and let's plot that. See. Yeah, so there's our complete graph with the 20 nodes, right? So the blue things are the nodes, right? And the edges obviously the black lines, right? Cool. Right, so that's our complete graph there. And then we'll do a final one. I'll just call it CM G. Yeah, that will do. So nx dot complete multi-partite 124. Actually, let me go 6. Yeah, let's do it that way. Yeah, and then CMG. Nice. Nice. Yeah, so there we are. Our complete multi-partite graph. Yeah, so complete graphs that are meshed together and stuff here. So you got a total number of 9 nodes, right? So you got the 6 outside, and then the 3 inside, the 2 and the 1, right? Yeah, so there we are. Cool. Yeah, it's a nice type little graph. Okay. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching. So like I say, if you love what you see, please subscribe. Please share the videos with your friends. I'll keep adding more videos and stuff. Yeah. Okay, cool. Have a lovely day, and thanks for watching. Bye.